Hey, this is Bobby from Gas and Brass Armory. Just giving you a little tutorial of how to install our new GBA Gun Builder app. Alright, so you first go to our website page. It gives you some details about the app, why the app's not on Google, if it's safe, all the features you get from it, installation requirements for Android. Going to give you some little steps there. So we're going to start with the download. It's going to say the type of file may harm your phone. That's because it's not on Google Play. It has to go download directly through an APK on your phone. You hit the download button and hit download. It'll start to download. Open it up. You want permission required because it's an unknown APK. So you want to go to settings, allow permissions. You hit install. It's going to have one more. If you have a newer phone, the app block. So you hit OK. Then you go to settings. Go to security and privacy. Auto blocker, you turn the auto blocker off. It only lasts for 30 minutes. So this part, 30 minutes later, it'll go back on. Your phone will be secured again. Open that up. Go back to your browser. Go to your downloads. Click on your download, install. And it may pop up with a Google Play. You want to scan it. You can scan it and Google will tell you that it's safe. If it doesn't, you can hit open. You have to be 18 to get into our app, so you must verify that you're 18. You can remember the choice for 30 days if you don't have to, keep pressing that button, or nobody else has access to your phone. Go ahead and enter. The notifications button. The only notification that we do send is if you sign up for a wish list item, an item that's out of stock, and you want to get a notice that it's back in stock. If you allow it, we'll get you that notification sent to you. And once you install, go through the pages, see what's going on with it, and then to turn that setting back off of your browser, you want to go to apps. Go to your browser you use. I use Samsung. Chrome has the same setting. If you use Chrome, Samsung browser, there'll be a install unknown apps allowed. You want to turn that off, and then your phone is back to where it was before we did the install. All right, appreciate you listening to me. Hope you guys download the app. I think it's very beneficial for you. Thanks.